Hey guys, so last time umorder tayo kay Jovy sa Jovyness Printing Services ng mga tokens para sa mga interviewees namin sa research. So ito yung tag niya. It comes in a very stylish brown paper bag and very stylish na tag. So Jovyness Printing Services, thank you. It says here, we will appreciate if you write about your experience in Jovyness Printing Services on our page. We will be giving 10% discount on your next order for your review. So we'll try to get one. So here are the products. So ito, naglabas na ako ng isa. So we'll try to open it. So it comes in a white box. Yan. And nakatali ng abaka cord with a simple thank you note. So let's try to open that one. Let's see kung ano ang itsura ng ating token. Tada! So it's a white mug. Tingnan natin. Sturdy naman yung mug. Ang ganda. Masarap pang kape. So yan. So it says here, you've got all the elements to be a great teacher. And then at the back, or at the other side rather, you have here teacher, and then you have a Bible quote that says, let all that you do be done in love. 1 Corinthians 16:14. So si Ma'am Jovy, siya na rin ang gumagawa ng design. So it comes from her, and then she has it approved from you. So try to get one from her. Okay? So here is the token. So don't forget to like and subscribe.